Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made Captain America, and I'm going to show you how even you can also make it very easy tutorial. And I'm just taking out the Captain America out of the sellotape so he can stand and sit only in the sellotape. See, he can't stand, only sit. And yeah, I made this with this tape. You can make it transparent tape, is far better, very far better. So you can't see the thing, and you can't see their sellotape stuck here, and his hands are moving. And they're serious. I'm gonna show you. His hands are moving. Very easy. See? But this should take a lot of effort. If it takes just one day for making it. So I'm gonna show you how I made it. So first, you got this thing. Like it's a paper. In a paper like this paper, I colored Captain America, and it's this. But the back, I just put a sellotape and stitch it. And here, I did like this and a star here, but it's covered. I'm going to remove the sellotape and put transparency. Okay, then after that, I made a face, which also I just colored the middle part, and the rest of the part I stuck it. And that's a cardboard. You just need a small piece of cardboard, and here also. It should be a little thin, like this. Thin cardboard piece, which is good. Then you must wonder, it's very difficult for making the leg. It's very easy. You must need 2 cardboard pieces, then a roll. I colored it because I don't have any color paper, so I colored it. Then it comes like this. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4 red papers, and same 4 blue papers, and more blue papers needed. Then first you take the red paper, but the red paper should have the same circle which is the blue paper has it. Even here also, even here. Okay, then plus it should, if you make less weight here, then you can stand easily. Here I had to make less weight because it's very heavy, so it can't stand. And the face I could show zoom. See it like this. Colored paper. Inside nothing I have kept. Okay, then I'm gonna show how 4 rolls, 8 rolls I think. Then you stick here, then the glue gun. I put some glue here, and here also some glue gun, which is good. So now, like this is where you fold, because you have to make the measuring inside and the correct measuring which should be fitting here. So by sticking, you have to measure it like this, or the tape should come down. It's all your choice. I did like this, just like an action figure. So you can see the leg stuck at sellotape, and the other leg stuck at sellotape. You can make a color or try to make any color, because I don't want to choose any color again. So the tape is like here. It's awesome for making the legs like that. And if your brother wants it or a sister wants it, is again very easy for making it. If you take all your effort, I'm gonna post another video how to make Captain America for your brother and sisters easy without cardboard. So you're gonna take very less time. 5 minutes you can make this. You need at least half an hour. That you can make in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. It's enough. You don't need any glue gun for that, and no cardboard. So I'm gonna post that video as fast as I can. And if your brother is good at coloring, you can make him color. So then he'll understand how much effort that you did. That's what I did to my brother. He wants the same Captain America for fighting, so I made the same Captain America for him. Okay, then I'm going to show you all the parts now. The back part, which I didn't show you. Like this, the back part. He just lays it down. you're gonna see it. He kneels down and he falls. That's the funny part. So thank you guys for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel.